Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. This week's theme is negative space, and so we have a Santa Claus accent nail, and then his skin is the negative space. But it's not really negative space because I have some nude nail polish on it that I use for French tips. I apologize if you hear a squeaking noise. I just got a kitten. And so that is my base color on my accent nail. And then I am using a pink or a red gel polish from Broadway as my other color for my other nails. And then this is a really easy one to do. I'm using Bundle Monster, aka Maniology stamping polish to do the detail work because it's very opaque in one coat and nice. And then all I need other than that is a dotting tool, which here it is. It rolled over here. I'm going to use both ends, the big end and the little end of this dotting tool. You could probably do this with toothpicks if you needed to, and bobby pins. Alright, so let's get started. You don't have to wait for your nails to dry to do this, which is nice. So you can do this rather quickly. You do want it to be a little dry or else your colors will smear, but you don't have to wait for it to completely dry. So we're going to start by taking the Broadway gel red polish, and we are going to do sort of like a French tip on that nail. A little further down than you would for an actual French tip, but basically what we're going to do, and you don't have to make it even because we're going to add white afterwards, but we're going to go and tip the top with red. This is a little messy, I'm not going to deny, but I don't think that a liquid latex is really worth it for this. Because it's just going to get messed up anyways. You're still going to have to clean up. My kitten has learned to climb. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this white Bundle Monster polish and put a bit of it on my handy dandy silicone mat. That should suffice. And now I'm going to take the bigger end of my dotting tool and we are going to dot our nail. We're pretty much going to do a circle all the way around the nail. I think I'm going to need a little bit more polish. that should suffice for a nice beard and head. Hat, really? Okay, so next I am going to put a little bit of black on my handy dandy silicone mat. Don't need too much, we're only doing 1 dot or 2 dots. And we're going to take the smaller end of the dotting tool and we are going to do eyeballs. 1 eye and 2 eyes. Very cute. Alrighty, I'm going to clean off my dotting tool. And then we're going to take the red and do, oops, that's black. Grab the wrong polish. I'm going to take the red and do 1 last dot on my silicone mat. There we are. Take the little end of the dotting tool 1 last time. And we're going to make a red nose because Santa, well, he's cold. There we go. And that is pretty much it for the Santa Claus negative space. So now we're going to clean that up with a cleanup brush and some acetone. Want to make sure that when you're doing this, you're going down for the cleanup, or else you're going to get white nail polish up in your cuticle line right there. And you can fix that with some nail polish remover, or not some nail polish remover, with a little bit more red nail polish, but why waste that and if you don't have to? Alright, I'm going to clean that off a little bit more off camera so that I can see what I'm doing. Hang on here. Almost done. And that. There we go. So that's it. Top that with a quick dry top coat that doesn't smear. The actual Broadway gel top coat actually does work for this. If you are using a different polish, not all polishes are created equal. You want to use one that's good with stamping because it will smear if you don't. And that is it for this time. Next week's theme is silver and blue. So we'll see you then, and I'm probably going to stamp for that one. So that's it for this time, and we'll see you next time.